Good morning. Good morning. Sir, in the last class yesterday, we had discussion about form validations. Form validations. So at the time of form validations, not there. Yes, yesterday at the time of form validations, there are two ways are there. One is by using the clean methods. Second by using by Django inbuilt methods compulsory clean underscore field name. How many fields are there? Yes, sir. Whatever fields are available there, that field name clean underscore name is a fixed name. Example roll number, clean underscore roll number, email, clean underscore feedback. So how many fields are there? Those many methods you have to declare, and you no need to call explicitly. Django will take care about calling those methods. That is the first process, clean methods. After that, view function, yes. Django will call all these field level clean methods automatically. We are not required to call these methods explicitly. So the names are fixed. Just now, who are asking doubt? Nirankar, the names should be fixed. Clean is compulsory. Which field you want to apply that name? The names should be fixed. Because Django will able to understand by those names only. That is the first one. Sir, second concept is inbuilt validators. That validators are available Django.core. So which field which field we need to go with? We can give validators equal to validators dot maximum length 40, minimum length 30. I can provide it there. After a particular field, I declared my function. What is the my function? Starts with this. I'm writing something code. This starts with function passing as a argument to where? Validators. Same I'm using Gmail. Up to here we completed into our yesterday class. See this command prompt. Okay. Yesterday program, this one. Starts with a function, Gmail validator. I'm provided here. Now go to our project, D drive, CD, Django 17th March. Now, CD feedback project, py manage.py, run server. Server is started. This is the server address. Copy this, paste here. Feedback came. Sir, in my application, two are there. One is starts with. Second one compulsory at the rate Gmail. So whenever go to here, I am entering Mahesh. I am entering roll number 102. I am entering as a field email ID. abc@gmail.com. I am entering classes, something I can. Yes, sir. If I click on submit, what they are telling, name should starts with yes, compulsory. Okay, done. Now, second one, I am given as a Yahoo, yahoomail.com. Now click on submit. No, extension should be compulsory. What it is? Gmail. So whenever each and everything, send the console, everything it is printing, check it. Start with function execution, checking for Gmail, some field validation. Again, start with function execution, Gmail validation, and some fail should be fails. Now, this time, third time, Sunny, one or two, Gmail, okay, something I provided, submit. Yes. So all fields are validated. Form should be success. Sunny one or two Gmail. Each and every validation will be finished. Up to here we completed. But in this approach, is it possible to maintain HTML code with the CSS code? Yeah, possible, Vijaya. But we have to write separate CSS file, reusability purpose. I can use into the HTML file. If you want to maintain with HTML code, that is also possible, but reusability is not applicable. Only current page it is applicable. That is the problem. Sir, now see. Sir, here, up to now two approaches I am telling. One is single columns they can declare. After that, ఏంటి వచ్చావా చుక్కల చంద్రుడు స్మార్ట్ శంకర్ డోన్ శంకర్. Sir, see. Sir, now, sir, these are all the functions are there. I am removing, sir. I am removing. Because every time each field I can provide that there. Or else I declared function, I am passing. Oh, sorry. You have to remove. Because that function is not there. Remove. Inka where is going to here also remove. Inka. This is the feedback now. Here also I don't want remove. Now is it okay? Declare pass as a validator. Instead of that, sir, my requirement is starts with. Now, what I was doing is, I want to perform validation of the total form directly by using where single clean method. Ante only one function you have to declare within your class. Do all the things instead of creating field by field, all those things. And instead of creating functions, I can pass as a argument to the validators. Instead of that, I have to create only one method. That method is yes. So here we don't want to write separate methods. We are not required to write separate field level methods inside a single clean method. All validations we can perform. How to do? Go to the form.py here. Sir, here you have to declare a method. What is the method? Clean method. Inside you have to provide a self, because sir, this method is available within this class or not? Yes, sir. No, inside class I am declaring. If it is outside means it is a function. Inside class means compulsory it should be a method. That's why I'm passing as a self. You declare only function, self is not required. But within the class you are declaring, that's why I can mention as a self, sir. Okay. Now, I want to provide that print total form validation I am doing here, not only field by field. Total form validation is performing. Sir, for example, I want to read the data from the application. Whatever data is entered by end user, I want to read. Take a variable total underscore cleaned underscore data. Sir, cleaned underscore data means that is available user entered data fixed variable. But total underscore clean data is my variable. It is not fixed. Anything you can give A, B, C, X, Y, Z. But clean underscore data is a fixed variable. Now, sir, I need to call which method? I'm calling which method? Clean method. Sir, in this program, if I run this, what will happen here? What is your method name? Your method name. Which method I am calling? And is it again calling clean or not? And it is doing recursion. One find a memory error will get program not stopping. Yes or no? But actually, which clean method you can call? Parent class, not the current. How to call the parent class method? Yesterday we discussed what it is. Super. Yesterday, at the time of explanation, I want to, yes, Mary example. I'm calling Mary. Sir, if I'm calling Mary, this function calling or not? But instead of super Mary, what happened? Parent class Mary method is calling or not? Same thing. In my program also, if super is not there, it is calling cleaning, the method will be continuously recursive methods it is. I want call parent. That's why I can use which method? Super. Sir, super.clean means parent class method, constructor, variable, class method, static method. Anything you can call Amit by using super. Parent class methods only. Parent class, variable, constructor, static method, class method, anything you need to call by using the super. Sir, now say. Sir, what is the meaning of this one? Please tell. Line number 11. Super.clean. Super.clean means this clean method is available which class? Parent. What is the parent? Form class. In the form class, already whatever method clean. Yesterday, I'm explaining a simple example. Have you remembered this one? Form class, constructor, date, everything is there. So the data will be available there in clean method. I am calling. Now the data should be available which variable? Total cleaned underscore data. This is user entered values. So now I'm validating the name field. Validating name. So how to get the name value? Where the data is available? Total cleaned data. What I want to take, which column? Name. Stored into variable. Input name. Because user given input name. Input name. Any variable, okay. Input name. So whatever user entered data available there, I stored into variable. I am accessing name. I am given input name. Sir, what is the condition previously I am given? Should starts with yes. You have to give the condition. What is the condition? If input name not, first letter kada 0 not equal to which letter? Yes letter. Okay, done. Dot, yes. It is converting to the lower and checking it. Sir, now, what is the use of the raise? Raise is a keyword which is sending programmer message to the end user. What is the module name? Forms. What is the class? Validation error. SDM discussed this one also with respect to this example. Our class, raise is the keyword, class exception message. Same concept. Now also I'm applying. Raise is a keyword, forms is the module, validation error is a one class. Inside, you have to provide name, Babu should starts with yes. First validation completed. Okay, go to the server. Yes, server is restarted, automatically restarted. Go to the feedback. First I am given get request. I am getting. Yes, I am given as a Mahesh, roll number 123, email address something Gmail. Now something I can provide it. Sir, applied or not applied? Starts with yes. Now I am given as a yes. Feedback, submit. Taken. So like that, single clean method, one process completed. Now, next my requirement is mail ID compulsory Gmail, sir. Mail ID compulsory Gmail. Next, what to do? One, I can assign. 2, 3, 4. If roll number is 0, don't accept it. For example, roll number -12, my roll number. Submitted, not submitted. It is submitted successfully. But actually, I don't want allow because roll number starts with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 like that. It will be there -10, -10. No, but I'm not given any validation. That's it is submitting form. Observe carefully. If you restrict it, then all it won't submit it. Sunny roll number anta 0. Sunny roll number anta -12 because success submitted. You are not providing any validation to your page. That is the reason. So roll number 0 less than 0 not accepted. Above 0, I need to accept it. How to provide? What to do? Total underscore cleaned data. What is the value? Roll number. Input roll number. Roll number greater than 0. Okay. Validating roll number, sir. Yes, done. Input. Sir, now what I want to write? If input roll number less than or equal to 0. Because it should not less than, should not equal to 0. What is the keyword? Raise. After that, forms. Dot. The class is validation error. Instead, you can use the message. Roll number should be greater than, starts with the greater than 0. Save this. Come to here. Search and again server restarted. Go to this. Give the feedback. It's a get request. Page will be open, starting page. I'm given Sunny, satisfied, -12, ABC, yes, submit. Now this time is it accepted? Not accepted. Sir, roll number should be greater than 0. Here you can check it. Validating, total form validation I'm doing. Validating name, fine. Validating roll number. Some field validation was fails. Now you come here. Give as a 0. Submit. Is it submitted? No. Again, it is telling total form validation, name, roll number, some field validation was failed. Now, I want to give as a 1. Submit. I selected something in the server. Yes. Now, validating. Sunny 1 ABC something feedback. Came? Came. Sir, what is the third one? Mail. Mail should be Gmail. So, now how many methods are there? Only one method. Previously, how many fields are there? Those many methods are declared. Validating the email. So now, where the data is available, total underscore clean underscore data of which column? Email. And input email. Okay, done. So now what to do? If input email. Yesterday I'm given now. What I'm given now? Minus 10 colon. So minus 10 to until the last. Not equal to. What I'm given? At the rate gmail.com. If it is not equal to Gmail. Okay, now rise forms dot validation error is the class. Instead, you have to provide email extension should be what it is Gmail completed. Now come to here. First check the server. Yes, restarted already. Go to there. Yes, give this. It is a get request form. First, Sunny, roll number 102. I am given email abc@yahoomail.com. Now, classes, feedback. Email should be Gmail. Form is validating. Name okay, roll number okay, email. Some field was gone. Now, you have to give instead of abc Yahoo, give as a Gmail. Everything validated, form submitted successfully, total form will be validated successfully, values are came. That is the way how to declare your single method all possibilities. The notes validating total form directly in single method, paste it. So here only form class, you won't do modifications inside. Sir, you can declare method compulsory inside the class. Then automatically it is calling the Django server. That is the how to write into one single method. First time taking the name, I'm validating condition. Second validating roll number. Third I'm taking is validating the Gmail ID. Clean function name is yes compulsory. Otherwise, Amit, am I calling this function anywhere? Am I calling? No. SDM using starts with. I'm using my function name, but I'm passing as argument to the validator class. Then only Django will aware. Here, compulsory clean Mari. Why I'm using here super.clean? This clean, both are same. Recursion will be happened. This meaning, what is this meaning? Is it permanent method or not? But this is available in forms class. That method is calling reading the data stored into my variable. Sir, here this variable is not fixed. This is the fixed name. Super is the fixed method. Clean is the fixed name in the form class. Otherwise, Django. For example, if I'm given F, okay, you are declared. Where you are calling F? Django will call F? No. Django does not knows about the F method. Only Django knows which method? Clean. But how this clean method is recognized Django? In the form class available there. Same here also, this clean method calling by Django server. Sir, yesterday I'm telling one more concept now. Go to the CMD, sir. How to create the super user? I explained this concept. D drive, CD, Django, 17, CD, feedback project. Sir, how to create super user? Py manage.py create super user. SDAT done migrations and make migrate everything. Sir, username. I'm given as a Mahesh. The username already exists. I want to give as a Sunny. Email address abc@gmail.com. Now, password Sunny123. Password again, I am given only Sunny this time. Both are mismatches. Now, am I getting message or not? Your password did not matches. Same thing I want to do in my project. In my form, there are two columns are there resume. In that password, re-enter password, or else sometimes at the time of doing online transaction, money transaction, first it is asking enter your account number. Please re-enter your account number again. Two times you are entering. If both are not matches, it is telling mismatches. So that type of to do the application. How can I do that one? How to check? How to check original password and re-entered password or same or not? How to check, sir? This code I copy pasted. Okay. So how to check the password and re-entered password? Taking password inside some variable. Okay. And match them. Simply episode. Sir, see here. Give the request. Yes, sir. Sir, in this page, is there any password and re-password columns are there? No. So first you have to create the two columns, password and re-enter password. So how to create those columns? Sir, now this is nonsense. I'm removing. No validations. Okay. I remove total. Only one form class is there. Then now I have to declare a value. What it is? Password. Password equal to forms dot which one? Is it a character field or not? Yes, a character field only. Inside I want to provide it. Sir, previously feedback. In feedback also character field I'm given. Inside what I'm given? Widget equal to text area. Same process you have to give widget. Widget equal to forms dot what it is? Password input. Take another column, sir. Yes. R password. Save. Go to here. Just refresh. And వచ్చినాయా బాటమ్ ఏం మరి బాటంలో వచ్చినాయి 1 minute. Cut it. Paste here. Save. Now check it. Password ఏం చేశాను నేను సరే no problem. Sir, it's a came not came password or password. Two columns are available there. Sir, now my requirement is, sir, the R password is the column name. Password, check it. Forms.py. They're all the column values or not? Yes. Whatever user entered data, that value will be stored into in this one. Sir, for example, I want to give as a some label. Label is nothing but my whatever I want to give, that data it will be displayed. I'm telling as password. Previously, what it is asking again. Okay, save. Observe what is happened. Refresh. Comma మిస్ అయిందంటే అక్కడ ఇక్కడ రిఫ్రెష్. సరే ఏమన్నాడు? Password again. Sir, that is only label name only. But your data will be stored in which column? It should be R password only data. First time password should be stored into this column. Second time re-enter password should be stored in which column? This column. This is only just a label name. You don't access by using this name. This is just a visibility name only. It is not a column name. It is just a label name only. Okay, done. Sir, here I am given password now. Okay. Understandable purpose. Where is the password? Here. Label equal to enter password, comma. Now check it. Yes. Sir came. Enter password came. Password again came. 2 columns are there. Now my requirement is, sir, whatever data I am entering, suppose I am entering Mahesh 1, 2, 3. I am entering Mahesh only. So both are not matches. Mahesh, roll number 123, not matches. If I am clicking on submit, is it submitted or not? See here, so many characters are there. Here less characters are there. I am given different passwords. Submitted, not submitted. Click on submit. What they are telling? @Gmail, because of required. Now submit. Is it submitted or not? Submitted. Why? What is the reason? Because we are not validating. So it is not validating whether is it correct or wrong or whatever is there. Everything will be gone. Form should be successful. Mahesh 1, 2, 3 password everything. So if you want to display that data, you can display that data also, passwords also. By using password or password, print in the console, it is printing. No. I want to provide some validation in this the page. Sir, what to do now? Take a method. What is the method just now I am taken? Clean. Because, sir, highly recommended, instead of taking field level, instead of taking validators, whenever multiple fields are validating. Here, how many fields I am validating? Two. Because one is data reading from password. Second one, R password. Both data I want to read. If I can use field level validator, is it possible? No. If multiple fields are there, highly recommended which one? Only preferable one is clean method only. Because here I want to read the 2 columns data. One is password, second one is R password. If I can take field level, it is not suitable. Only suitable one is which one? Clean. Sir, how to read the data? The password not equal to R password. Raise form validation. One more. No, yeah. Sir, please tell how to read the data from the user entered. Just know what I am using. Super. Dot. What is the method? Clean. Stored into variable. What it is? Total underscore clean underscore data. Completed? Yes. How to read data from the password? Total underscore cleaned data. What is the column name? Password. Stored into variable PWD. Now, sir, second, total underscore clean underscore data. What is the second column? R password. Stored into variable R PWD. Now I have 2 values. Are there in my hand or not? Yes. Now what is the condition I have to write? If PWD not equal to RPWD. Now what to do? Raise, forms, dot. What is the class? Validation error. Instead, you have to give whatever they are provided previously, both passwords must be same. Save this. Go to the server. Yes, sir. Previously this is the output. Now server restarted. Come to here. Refresh. Now give name Mahesh. Here anything you can provide it because I remove all validations. 1 or 2. Sir, now I'm given as a Mahesh 1, 2, 3. I'm given as a just Mahesh. I'm given something values. Now click on submit. Hey. At the rate Gmail because it is the type. That's why. Sir, now don't save. Sir, what they are telling you? Both password must be same. Compulsory to enter both password same. Now come to here. Mahesh 1, 2, 3. Now Mahesh 1, 2, 3. Now this time both are same. Validating it successfully. Showed previously some field validation was fails. Previous execution. Now successful. Name Mahesh, number, Gmail ID, feedback. Form is successful. That is the way how to validating our password and re-enter password. And this is the story of forms validations. Anything you can take your wish. ఎక్కడ మెయింటైన్ చేసాం inside character field widget I'm given na it is take care about that. Suppose if you give HTML page type equal to text, type equal to password, what is the difference? Type equal to text means it should be displayed to end user. Password means it is coming dot star marks came not came. So widget will take care about that. Sir, Mari previously line number 190 feedback I'm given. I can give directly character field. My internal way I'm given widget text area. Is it changes? Not changes. That's why you have to give password. The numbers are anything you can give. That is your wish. Character field means not only characters. Suppose password some conditions are there. Na? Suppose first letter should be capital. Minimum and special symbol. Numeric value. That is also we can do it. This thing generally how to generate those type of passwords. In my regular classes, I explained some concept. Sir, suppose I want to declare a password, okay? First letter should be alphabet. Second letter should be digit. Third one, alphabet. Fourth one, some digit. Alphabet, sixth digit. Like that, I want to generate 10 passwords, random passwords. How to generate it? That is my requirement. First letter, alphabet. Second one, digit. Third only alphabet. Fourth digit. Sixth alphabet. So total, I'm asking generation. I'm not checking validation purpose regular expression. Remember, you are always confusing. If you want to validate, regular expression is okay. When regular expression useful? Validation purpose. Suppose if I'm given password, is it valid, invalid? Regular expression. I'm asking you how to generate. Then you can use programming by using random module. You have to generate it. So like that, that is my requirement. You have to generate 10 passwords. First letter should be character. Second one, so ante idigo 0, 1, 2 position should be any alphabet uppercase. Second 1, 3, 1, 5 numerics values required. How to generate the passwords? How? Slice is meaning of accessing purpose slice, not generation purpose. Sorry, whatever you want, you can try it. This type of passwords 10 you can generate it. Random passwords. So this is the Django forms and validations. That is the fifth chapter, Django forms. What is a form? Advantages, how to generate form, what is CSRF token, how to process input data from inside views.py file. Yeah, possible. How to process input data, student name marks, student feedback, form validations by using clean methods, inbuilt validators, how to implement custom value by using validator methods, single clean method, original password, and sir, finally one more is there. What it is? Oh, idout on malli. This is the last one. Then forms are over. Please send this PDF font. Sir, please tell what is a bot? You know already Selenium. Long back ago. Jamane mein. Sir, what is the main purpose of Selenium? What it will do? We have to automate some page or not? Sir, for example, see, I have an application is there. I'm not asking any questions, okay? Don't bother. Sir, I have an application is there. In this, I'm entering username, I'm entering password, okay. Now I want to do the some patient registration details, sir. I want to fill the form. How to fill the form? Is it a one form or not? Multiple fields are available there. So generally, I am the patient. I want to give my details. How to give that manual? I can select one by one or not. Yes. Now observe. Patient, pay patient, brother, Mr. Patient name Mahesh, voter ID, middle name not required, PAN card, last name, date of birth, nationality, age, something. I am entering manually. See, I am doing manually. Sir, every field I entered. Next, photo I want to upload. I want to upload the image. Now, I want to click on what it is, save button. The data should be inserted or not? Sir, this activity will be done by human being or not? Yes, it is human being. So server also no problem. It is accepted carefully. Now later I want to take this PR number. Click on OK. Go to the search registration. If I type here, click on search. Today date 11/4/2023. I inserted one record. Okay. Successfully done. Now what I was doing is same page. I'm not doing anything. I will write some automation program like Selenium. The total page will be automated with the help of Selenium. Check it. Evening in my testing classes, I'm telling this process how to automate the pages and those things. Evening 6 o'clock batch, my testing batch is there. Then I'm telling how to automate that page without doing manually. Observe the code. So that is Selenium code, testing code, not Python. How it is automated, check it. Wait. It is coming. It is coming. Eclipse is opening. Please wait. Yes, came. Visible. Sir, at the time of this is the Selenium classes, don't bother about this code. I am automating so many applications. In this case, so this is the code I written into the Selenium. So first I want to browser, okay, selenium by myh.com, entering username, password, clicking. This code, you don't bother about that. Just I'm running, you have to check the output. I'm running. It is open the page, entering username, password, all fields it is entering, upload photo, click on OK. Is it doing a human being or machine? Machine, automation script. A request which is coming from automation, that is called as a BOT bot. Previously, I'm entering manually, but how Django server will recognize this action will be done by human being or from automation machine. To prevent that request, we can use the bot handler concept. No. By using that, not possible to identify. Sir, human being means whatever visible fields are there, those only I can enter data. Now I am a Python developer. I can insert one hidden field, but automation machine, they don't know anything. It will send the something machine it is entered. Because human being, whatever you are seeing, these only you are positioned to enter data. Is it possible to human being hidden fields enter data? No chance. But machine don't know anything. If a field is there available, blindly it is entering data. So like one hidden field I am creating, being a Python developer. If I am getting hidden field something value means it is not human being, it is one prompt, I need to stop. Why we need to stop means, sir, for example, same person I'm writing code. Now one record inserted, not inserted. Inserted. Check the code. Your total application done. One patient registration successfully. One person returns program. Suppose you are my Selenium student. You are written this code. Before this code, simple. This is the way of entering data, sir. Okay. Before this statement you can use for I equal to 0, I less than 10,000 times I plus plus. Make it as a block. Then what will happen? 10,000 times is it running or not? Data should be inserting. Unnecessarily wastage of my application. My application performance will be down. Malware functions, virus will be happening very fast. Sir, in mobile, you can play the games continuously. One find our mobile will gone or not. Same program keep on running, it will be affected. That's why to prevent that type of request, we need to go with bot handler concept. That is the meaning of what it is. Bot. Now, generally, form request can be sent by who will send end user. Sometimes we can write automated programming. Just I'm showing a Selenium program, automatic programming scripts. Which is responsible to fill the form and submit. This type of automated script is nothing but bot. The main problem with the bot is unnecessarily it is creating the more traffic. So generally no one can use my HMS application. Only my students, testing students, they can use that application. If anyone is automating like the 10,000 data inserting in one fine day, my database will be full. Every time I'm deleting data because students practicing purpose, see, registration list. So here how many students are there? One day. Keep on inserting students. I'm deleting this data every month, like that 2 months I'm deleting. How many students are there? 3,000. One fine day I will delete all this data, empty form I displayed. Again, my students are practicing how to do automation like that. Otherwise, what happened? Inserting, one fine day, database will be gone or not. That is the reason. Mainly to avoid unnecessary traffic. And we need to protecting from the malware viruses. We need to go with this bot. Now, how to prevent? How to prevent bot request captcha? Yes. The another alternative way is captchas. Captchas, and sometimes do you know there are some images are there. You have to select where the bus is there, where the car is there. You have to select 3 images like that. Then it is telling, okay, you are not robo, you are a machine. Like that, one message are coming na. That is captchas. These are all for security purpose only. In Python, we have a concept is there that is bot. Now, how I can go with this means, sir, in the form, we will place one hidden field. Hidden field means it is not able to see by human being. So human being never enter the data. Human field. Sorry, hidden field. Which is not visible to the end user. Hence, there is no chance of providing value to this hidden field. Yes. But bot don't know about all these things. Will send the value for this hidden field. Because machine don't know anything, Selenium don't know anything. Selenium will type the data. Wherever field is there, it is entering the data. If hidden field got some value, means it is the request from where? From the bot. And we have to prevent submission. Whenever I'm clicking on submit button, I am telling you are not a human being, you are the bot. Sorry, boss. I'm submitting your request. Sir, previously I'm checking roll number must and should greater than 0. I'm written a condition. What I'm written? Previous program. Roll number. Even if roll number less than 0, don't submit. I'm given hidden field. If hidden field is here greater than or equal to 0, greater than 0 means something value I'm getting. Don't submit it. If hidden value 0 means you can submit because there is no value. Greater than or equal to 0 means something single character came. Okay, he is not a human being. You can stop the submission. Don't send it. Like that, I have to check that hidden field value. If it is greater than or equal to 0, boss, you don't submit that provided. To this, that is I am telling, sir. I want to place one hidden field which is not visible to the end user. If user not providing any value, submit. If hidden field is getting minimum 1 character greater than 0, don't submit. Come to our form. Where is this? So now remove this clean method. Password, re-enter password required, not required. Actually, not required. Password not required because no. Save, sir. Go to here. Feedback. Refresh. Yes. Name, roll number, email came. Sir, you have to add one more column. The column name is any name. I am given bot underscore handler. I want to give as a forms dot, which field it is also character field only. Inside I want to give required equal to false. Sir, what is the meaning? Sir, in the generally input to type equal to so and so text, required attribute is there. Required attributes means compulsory you have to provide some value or not? Compulsory. But I'm telling what I'm telling. Required equal to false means You don't want to write any value, does not required, but you have to provide means something value I'm getting. That is the meaning of required equal to false. If I'm not given false, compulsory you have to provide one value. Otherwise, it will get error. Field not be in the like this. Now, required equal to false, sir. Now, I want to provide what I want to give widget. Widget equals to what it is? Forms dot which field it is a hidden input. So I'm given two condition. This field is not required and it should be hidden field and the user not able to see. Now line number 8. Am I something inserted or not? Yes. Go to the form. Refresh. Am I seeing any field? No, because it is a hidden field. Inside it is there. You have to right click. View page source, sir. HTML name something something something. CSRF token idigondi. One field came sir last. Type hidden. What is the name? Bot handler. Ante one field is there internally, but not visible by the end user. Suppose you can enter data. You are entering the data. You are entering only name, roll number, email, feedback, submit. You are not providing the data to hidden field. I accepted, a form is submitted successfully. If I am using any automation tool, that tool will pass data to the hidden field. Now I am checking the data. Come to this. Yes. Now take a method. What is the method, sir? Same. What is the method? Clean method. Now, how to take the data? Super dot clean. Stored into variable. What is the variable I'm using? Total underscore cleaned underscore data. Inside I need to stored. Sir, now I want to provide it. Total and data. What I want to give? The column name. Bot handler. Previously name you can record your reading name or not. Email, same like that. If that value getting value, I'm reading stored into a variable. The variable bot handler value. Sir, previous example all are same only. Previously what happened? Total underscore clean. Am I getting password and R password? On the previous example, I'm taking a clean method. Name I'm reading, roll number, email. Same concept, now also implementing, no difference. So your data is stored in which variable? Bot underscore value. If it is greater than or equal to 0, something you are getting value. Not submit. Give the condition. If what it is length of bot underscore handler value greater than or equal to what I want to provide it 0. What is the keyword? Raise forms dot validation error. Instead you have to give sorry boss, it is requesting from bot, not possible to submit. That is the code I am written. Okay, done. Go to the server. Server is restarted. Now open the application, sir. Give the request, get request. I'm given Mahesh. I'm given roll number 123. I'm given mail. Any names. Here every field, no restriction. Anything you can provide it. Submit. Is it submit successful or not? Yes, because a human being I'm entering, I'm not providing any value to bot handler. Yes, successfully done. Super attribute clean. No. I'm getting different error. Either spelling mistake undi. Adi da sangate. Missing parenthesis error. Now refresh. Continue. Now check it. Sir, okay. Everything is some will validation done. Ayo, sorry. Go to here. Sir, Mahesh 123. Request from bot cannot submitted. No. No. Wait. The problem is It is running a previous program. Previously, I can provided bot value. That's why. Wait. Go to browser. Sir, ఇక్కడ ఎక్కడో delete of previous results ఉంటుంది. Cache memory. History. Clear browsing data. Clear data. Gone. Close total browser. Open it again. Because old program it is running. That's a bot came. Now, sir, start the server. Manage retrieve run server. Copy the URL. Come to new browser. Okay. Feedback, sir. Now name Mahesh, roll number 123, email ID something feedback. Submit. Request from bot cannot submitted. Some field validation fails అంటే ఏదో చేసే ప్రోగ్రామ్ లో మొత్తానికి ఫామ్ క్యారెక్టర్ విల్ రిక్వైర్డ్ విడ్జెట్ ఏరియా ఎక్కడన్నా ఆమె డిడ్ ఎనీ వ్యాలిడేటర్స్ నో వ్యూస్ లో ఫామ్ విల్ బి డిస్ప్లేడ్ feedback requested name roll number email feedback. Sorry, I did a small mistake. Yes, correct. Sir, what is the mistake I'm given, sir? Ikkada what I'm given greater than or equal to. Greater than or equal to means what it is? 0. And I'm not getting any value means 0 kada. That is also. That is the mistake. Correct. Sorry. Now you have to refresh it. Yes. Mahesh, roll number 123, email ID something. Now submit. Yes, sir. No, I'm given greater than equal to. That's why 0 also not submitting. Now, if any value. But how it is doing manually means, sir, I'm given something value in Mahesh 123 something. Now observe. Right click. Inspect. Observe here carefully. This is one form. So how to give that value? Check it. Name value. This is the CSRF token value. Here. ID is going to bot handler is there. Yes. Now here, for example, internally I can provide that I'm adding one attribute value equal to high. I can provide it there. But this value, who is providing this value? Automation tools will be provided there. Sir, something value am I given to bot handler or not? Now bot handler contains 2 characters. It is greater than. Now go to outside this form. Okay. Now Mahesh 123. Bot handler submitting some value. Now click on submit button. Sorry, boss. Request from bot can't submitted this form. But that value, how I'm getting, automation tool will send the value with that hidden field. Now I'm entering manually, I'm showing the output. So this is the way how to restrict your bot request. This is the code, sir. Other ways to prevent BOT requests. One is captchas we need to use. Second one, image recognition. Where car is present like that image they will show, na, those are. That is the one chapter is completed now, successfully done. Next, 6. Totally 14 topics are there in the Django. This is the simple chapter only, 6th one. Advanced template also okay. Main important and 8th and session management. How to manage the sessions and those things. 9th the user authentication. Simple only. ఇదిగోండి సార్ 10th ఏంటిది concept should be same only, but up to now we know what it is. FB is function based views. Now it is a class based. Inside class we have to write ORM. 12th simple one, 13th simple. Directly 14th and no coding, only deployment of your code. These 14 topics are there. Just a basic idea I will give. Tomorrow I will start this working with model forms. Sir, what it is? Very good. Where in static file means where? Image not uploading, syntax error. Which type of error you are getting? Post in the Google Classroom. Here our experts are there in our classroom in offline. Those experts will clarify your doubt. Okay, na? No problem, because send your doubt in classroom. Here 2-3 people are there. They will clarify your doubt. Yes? No. Sir, see here. Just a basic introduction I will give. In Sir, what is the meaning of the modal form? What is a form? Up to now we are discussing. Form means we have to take the user input. One form is decided. Okay. It is accepting data. And up to now just we are printing in where, sir? In the console or not? This is console. Name, Mahesh, number, email ID, feedback. Up to now I am displaying all the data into the where? In the console only. Now I want to declare the modal form, means modal based form. For example, I have a form is there. How to declare the form? Already you know. Name, and I have one more column is there, marks. So just now we created this type of form, so many name, marks, and I want to, a button should be there. What it is? Submit. Once I click on submit, up to now what I'm doing? I'm reading data, printing in the console only. Yes or no? Yes. Now read this data, but inside there is a model. What is the meaning of model? Database. Database means collection of tables or not? Yes. Inside table there are columns are there. What is the columns? Name. And what it is? Marks. So this total data you have to read, stored into database permanently. Because up to now I'm not storing anywhere. Just running, printing in console, closing. After execution of the program, data will be gone. So I want to store data for permanent uses purpose. Then I need to go to which concept? Modal forms. Sir, you know how to read each field data. How am I reading each field data? Form dot, what is the dictionary? Clean underscore data. Suppose what it is? Names are stored into variable. What it is? Name. This thing already you know. Same. I want to take marks. Stored into variable marks. This is the way up to now what we are using already. We have some awareness is there. After that, somewhere else I'm using in the views.py some command records equal to class name dot. What is this method? Get or create. I'm using or not this type of method. Name equal to name ani, marks equal to marks. What is the meaning? If already data is there, you can read. If data is not there, you have to create. This is the meaning. Those two already you know. This third thing also no. Sir, this process is okay for 5 fields, 10 fields. It is okay, fine. I'm taking every field, name, marks, email, everything. And I'm reading, I'm sending. Suppose my application is 100 fields are there. 100 fields are there. So, sir, to reading purpose, am I writing 100 lines of code or not? Yes. That code after that you have to write student get or create every field names I can provide it there. By using normal form, it is a very, very big task. That is the reason I am preferring which one? Model based form. You have to write only one line of the code instead of 100 lines reading and storing. One line code is enough. What it is? Our variable is form dot. What I am given? Save. Your total form data will be stored into the backend database. So that is the advantage of our model based form. If it is a normal form, you have to read one by one field data and assigning into the variable. That variable you can use get or create method. If more number of fields are there, it is very difficult. That is the reason I can go with model based form. Then only one we have to write form dot save we can provide it there. So that is the main basic advantage of our forms. Normally we are creating form now. What we are creating? This is where it is this one. This is the way how to creating a form. Class, feedback form or registration form, anything. Inside you can write form dot form. Sir, this form is nothing but it is a which form? Normal form only. Same, copy, paste. Inside forms dot. I can provide it what it is. Model form. Enough. You won't do anything. It should become a model form. Instead, you can give form class, then it is a normal. You can give model form is a built-in class available there. Then it is a model form. So here you're going to remove the form. What I want to give, you can model form unda, you're going to model form. Then it is not a normal form, model form. Whatever data you are entering, the total data will be stored into your database directly. That is the story. Tomorrow we will discuss model forms.
Recording stopped.
Sir, any doubts online or offline now? No doubts. No, clear. Nikhil. Yeah, tell Nikhil. Sir, why we use constructor? Sachin Gurre. Now, Amit, what is constructor? The main purpose of constructor is to initialize our instance variables. To declare and initialization purpose, constructor is compulsory. Without constructor, how we can declare instance variables? Constructor is there, method is there. Differences between method and constructor. One more. No problem. Already you are attending the evening classes, Amit. You will get clarity in there. Yeah, yeah.
Recording in progress.
Sir, now see. Sir, here. A small example I will tell. Sir, it's lagging. What it is lagging? No. Sir, just now someone is asking now super. By using super, Amit, you can class parent class constructor, variable methods and everything, okay? Parent class instance method, static method, everything. Voice is not coming. Once I'm submitting, then forbidden for syrup token verification failed, requesting about it, this error coming. Correct kada? Whenever you're submitting form, CSRF token is coming. To resolve that one, in HTML page, you have to add CSRF token compulsory. This one you have to add. What it is? CSRF token. Who are asking that doubt? Add this one. CSRF token compulsory. Then only form will be submitted. Added, sir. Still added. If not getting means, send the code. Then we will check it. Maybe any spelling mistakes are there. CSRF underscore token before percentage, next percentage. No. I will check. Yeah, sure. Whatever error you are getting, you can send into the Google Classroom image and send that code also. Previously, I'm telling in the model class. In the model, I'm telling so many questions. Every chapter, whatever question they are asking, I'm telling. Okay. Sir, see here, observe a simple program I'm telling. A class employee is there. A class test is there. Both are different classes or not? Yes, employee is the one class. Test is the one class available there. So how to declare the constructor? Def underscore init inside self. Sir, employee have employee number, employee have the name, employee have the salary. Three variables I'm initializing. Employee number equal to employee number. Self dot employee name equals to employee name. Last variable self dot e salary equal to e salary. Sir, here any explanation is required? Not required. Simple program only. Sir, I want to display that employee details. Enough. I'm not doing anything. Display. I want to give variable self. Sir, how to display employee number? Yes, print. What to do? Employee number. How to get the employee number? Can I ask you self.employee number or not? Yes. Because within the class I am accessing number, next name, next salary. Sir, here any explanation is required? The salary. For example, shouldn't it is a very simple program only. Explanation is not required because everybody knows about that. A constructor is there, a method is there. I am given that. Sir, how to create object? Employee. Parents. Sir, what is the first variable? Number. Second variable, name. Third variable, salary. What is the reference? E. By using E dot, what I'm doing? Display. Where is the server? Stop this. CD. Py manage.py. Py test.py, not manage. Sir, చూడండి అక్కడ పోయింది ఏదో లేదంది. Am I did any mistake? EMPLO spelling mistake is there. Now check this. Sir, came here, no explanation not required, simple program only. Now my concept is I have another class is there. Test class is there. Here a method is there. What is the method name? Modify. Sir, in this modify method, I want to access that e-salary value and that display method I want to call there, not here. How to do? Because both are two classes, two different classes. See carefully. My main intention is I want to access which value? E-salary into here. Present e-salary how much? 15,000. I can make it as a e-salary equal to e-salary plus some 5,000. And my update salary should be how much? 20,000. How to access one class members into another class? How to access? That e-cell I want to access here and I want to display. Babu, when super Amit? It's not always super. Parent-child relation is there, then only super. Is there any relation is there? Test ki class ki? No. Sir, for example, if I'm given as a employee, then employee is the parent, test is the child. Now super I can accept it. But here no relation between these two. How to access it? Where can I create test object? I want to access eSal into the test. Where ekkada? Ikkada. Okay, test object created. T. What to do? E dot. ఏమవుతుంది? I want to change this 15,000 salary as a 20,000. That is I'm asking. And in the test you can change your value. That is I'm asking. Here there is a method is there now. Modify method is there. What is the purpose of modify method? Already I'm given 15,000. Now my concept is you have to give that value as a 20,000. Employee.test.eseller. One more. Sir, you can try it. Whatever you know, you can try it. Finally, whenever I can run the program, sir, ikkada in the modify my requirement, call this eSal variable, call the display. Okay, I can call modify method into here. That is my requirement. You can access your e-salary. Means this is called as how to pass one class members into another class without inheritance concept. Where? Sir, whatever you know, you can do it. You want to access, take the snap, or else I give in the classroom notes. I want to make it as a, what it is, 20,000. I want to do that one. Possible. It is then in object-oriented 3, it is telling I am duck typing philosophy. What it is? In advanced Python, I'm telling that concept also. First in the part 3, 58 kada, 1 minute. First in the object-oriented 3rd, I'm telling that one only. What it is? Oh, it is this one. Present today, part 2 completed. That is MR algorithm, C3 algorithms are done today in my regular class. So this is one main important. And do you know MRO? Previously I'm asking now that algorithm very important, MRO algorithm. If I'm given a diagram, which method executed first, which method next? By seeing the diagram, we have to tell MRO algorithm, method resolution order, hybrid inheritance, very important. How to do that C3 algorithm. Today I completed in that one. So next, whatever you're asking, that duck typing philosophy. In the part 3, the agenda is that is only first one. Possible. Mainly here. Do you know what it is? Duck typing Python philosophy. Any idea? Three concepts are there: operator overloading, method, and constructor. Overriding 2 are there: method and constructor. That is the part. In the 3rd, we need to tell duck typing philosophy. Sir, you have to try this one, okay? How to access members. The Django, I will give this one. My main intention is access eSal value into modify here. 15,000 as make it as a 20,000. Display the salary. That is the task. That is you have to do it. Sir, okay, today session was completed. You have to
Recording
do that one.
stopped.
This is scenario. In the classroom notes, complete programming even. Only here one line. Make 15,000 as a, for example, sir, it is not valid. Okay, I'm just telling idea purpose. ESAL plus 5,000 like that. If I'm given, is it valid? Invalid kada, because ESAL is not defined error. But my main intention, that is ESAL already 15,000 I am passing. That I can make it as a 5,000. And I want to call that method. What is the method? Display method. How to call display method into another class? And how to call that eSal method. That is only my requirement. That you have to try. Finally, I am calling this method, modify method where? Here I am calling. Then automatically display it is calling salary updated. Simple. How to call this one? That is your wish. Some t equal to test, you can create object t dot modify. Now, is it calling modify method or not? Salary updated. I am displaying. Display method I am calling. But these 2 lines are wrong. 13, 14 wrong. You have to do it. What to do there? That is I am asking. Sir, okay, online students, bye everyone. Tomorrow we will continue.